Yamon, a Terra Nova. From Libya to Napoli, love we discover. Yamon, Yamon, nu cuore nuova. African rhythm meets Neapolitan groove. Partuta a Libia con una barca piccerella. O mare era scuro ma speranza era bella. African drums in tuo cuore, vibration strong. Cercavo una vita nuova, it's been so long. Sbarcata a Napoli in un sole che brilla. La gente che ride come una famiglia. From Sahara Desert to Vesuvius fire. My reggae heart found what it desire. E mo casto in questa città che canta suona pure notte fa. Nu reggae beat qua tarantella. Mix Jamaican soul, gusta terra bella. Terra nova, Napoli my home. From African roots to this Mediterranean dome. Reggae passion, Napolitana soul. Now I'm complete, now I feel all. Terra nova, love I found here. Working on strong, wiping every tear. Jah blessing me with sta nuova vita. Napoli reggae, my signorita. Wakanda spirit meets pizza e mandolino. Nu lavoro onesto, nu futuro divino. She smile at me, e spacca Napoli street. African prince with Italian heartbeat. Ballammo insieme reggae tammurriata. E rise like stars on a Caribbean night. L'amore è un linguaggio universale. From Africa to Napoli it's all the same. Listen to me now. They say go back where you came from, but Napoli opened her arms like a mama. Nu gore, one love. African drums, Napolitan passion. This is my story, this is my mission. A Giamparato mestiere, ero pizzalo. African hands making pasta e fagiole. Guaiuno do quartiere, mi chiamano fratello. This reggae life is so bello. Every morning I wake up with gratitude. Neapolitan soon meets my African mood. From refugee boat to citizen proud, singing my reggae song strong and loud. Terra nova, Napoli my home. From African roots to this Mediterranean dome. Reggae passion, Napolitana soldier and San Gennaro made me whole. Terra nova, love conquers all. Working, singing, standing proud and tall. This fusion music is my celebration. Africa, Jamaica, Italy, one nation. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. Yamon, grazie Napoli. African reggae meets Italian melody. One love, one heart, una sola famiglia. Terra nova, che meraviglia.